So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with those black alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side, the speedometer on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge in the middle at the bottom, and above that the trip computer, which includes the coolant temperature gauge, and the total miles for the car, which as you can see are 72,472. You can change the information that's displayed there by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. Over to the steering wheel. On the left hand side here we have our stereo and phone controls. You can only use the phone controls once you pair the phone up to the vehicle, and that is done by pressing the phone button and then following the instructions on screen. Above that. Of course, we have the radio here as well. FM, AM and DAB radio. Every push of the radio button will take you round a different wave band, as you can see. You can listen to your own music via the CD player. We also have Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone. We have auxiliary input and USB input as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. You can see the CD player just there, the volume for the stereo. We can lock and unlock the car doors from there. Below that, we have our air conditioning. You can adjust the fan speed, direction of the air and temperature. The air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. We've also got a heated rear screen and a heated front screen as well. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt charging socket, and then our auxiliary and USB inputs. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.